Mic check 1 2 1 2. We are back.
We're back
with another video.
We're here.
So we are doing some Optic.
Woo!
2021, right? 21, 22?
2022.
Hobby box. So, you know, things are getting a little easier to get these days.
Tad bit.
So let's rock and roll. I guess this rookie class is not
Yes.
It's okay.
Mediocre
At best. Mediocre at best.
That's from Mad Max, right?
Yeah. Mediocre. And yeah, when he failed to whoa. Okay, so we got 20 packs, 4 cards per.
Packs, man.
And we got Panini. It says NFTs. But those things are crashing. All right, so let's see what type of cool cards we can get.
Hoping to pull some good numbered cards.
Modern day junk wax, because you know this has been printed to the moon.
Terry Rozier.
Printed to the moon.
Ricky Rubio.
Oh, there's something shiny back there.
Bones Highland.
Rookie card. So we'll put the rookies in the yeah buddy pile.
Yeah.
And we got
Prizm Splash, Damian Lillard. Check the
nice.
No,
It is not, but I will still bag and tag that. Right? Or just bag it.
Yeah,
Just bag it. The big bull's got some stuff on ComC. Might want to send that over to them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here you go. So is this Seth Curry. Sadiq Bey.
Oh, Julius Randle.
75 years.
Check the back.
Oh, let's see. And then we got no numbered. And then we got Dwayne Wade. Winner stays. Nice. Insert. Okay, so put that to the side. We got 20 Paccarellis here. Finding new homes. This is like Christmas morning, you know, open up packs, you know. So let's see what we got here. Damontes.
Yusuf. Nubik.
Oh.
Jason Preston. Rated
rookie. And then Chris Paul Express Lane insert. Nice. Let's go. Looking to get what's that list shrimp auto.
There was a big
Kevin Durant.
Yeah, Buddy Pile.
Cameron
like
Johnson.
a Josh Giddey rookie.
Joey Skimp.
Oh, Jimmy Butler.
Is this numbered?
No. Man, dude. Getting stingy, kid.
That's blue or purple?
I don't know. Blue, maybe?
Heavy colorblind over here.
Getting stingy with the numbered cards now.
Marcus. Wendell Carter Jr.
Greg Brown III. Whoa.
My house, Evan Mobley.
Nice rookie, right?
You can mega tag that.
Nice. All right.
He's one of the big rookies from this class.
Let's go. Future Hall of Famer. Probably gonna break all the records. And 20 years from now, everybody's gonna be looking for that card.
Nikola.
Oh, Express Lane, Kyrie.
Brooklyn Nets.
Yeah. Kyrie Irving. The man. Alright, let's go. Love opening hobby. A lot of packs, a lot of fun. Chuma.
Shai Giglius.
Alexander.
Ooh,
Jonathan Kuminga.
He's good?
Yeah, he got a championship last year. You can mega tag him.
Alright.
Well, I guess these express lanes are not that rare.
Steph Curry though.
I mean, I'm sure none of these cards are rare, but unless they're numbered, which we haven't really hit a numbered card yet.
Wording yet.
Russell Westbrook.
Russell.
Lonzo Ball.
Josh Giddey rookie
Nope.
card.
Devin Booker. Devin Booker. Yeah. Booker.
Derek Favors.
Mm-hmm.
Dante Dominicio.
Oh, James
James
Harden.
Harden.
Looking a little thick there, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Marcus Smart.
So, that, nope, no numbered. Yeah, buddy pal, you go.
How many cards per pack?
4.
4 cards?
Just 4.
Oh, yeah, I see it back there. Christian Wood. Brandon Boston.
Never know.
Cole Anthony.
Cole Anthony.
Another Splash
Another
Damian.
Splash Damian. Repeat. Wow.
Nice repeat.
Oh, wow. This is what people are complaining about, I think, about these sets now.
Yeah,
It's
I can
like,
see.
Oh, Kristaps.
Look at that.
Mosley.
Moody.
Zach LaVine. All right, so I think we're about halfway through.
Pushing through. Anybody specific?
Kay
Kenyon
Cunningham
Martin?
rookie. I want a Josh Giddey rookie.
Michael
badly.
Porter.
Josh. Wrong Josh.
Oh,
man.
That would be a insert, right?
yeah, but it's not numbered.
Purple hollow.
Yeah, it's not numbered or anything. All right, let us know in the comments if those cards are worth bagging and tagging. If they are, let us know. Hit that like, hit that subscribe.
Mikhail.
Oh,
Jeremiah.
my house, Luka. Luka, my house,
Right.
Luka, number 1. Card number 1. I can bag it. Bag it.
Just bag?
Yeah,
No
just
tag?
bag. Yeah. Let's see.
Jonathan
Maybe the
Isaac.
good stuff is at the end of the box.
Mobley could bag a tag.
Oh, Evan Mobley. This is the one you wanted, right?
No, I want Josh Giddey.
Oh, there's Luka.
base.
Luka base. Oh, what's this?
Silver Prizm.
Yusuf.
Yusuf.
Jokic.
All right. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. Heat up.
Let's heat it up.
Let's get Josh Giddey.
Zion. Devin Booker. Oh, Klay Thompson. Splash. Splash these. Last 4 packs, kid. Last 4 packs. No Deathless Shrimp. Auto. Franz Wagner.
Yeah, you can bag a tag him. He's a good rook from the splash.
Franz Wagner. James Weissman. Oh, and Devin Booker again. Wow. Okay, 4 packs go. 4 packs go now. Come on, man. Why so many repeats? There was just 2.
Come on, Josh Giddey. Let's get a purple Josh Giddey. Oh,
Klay Thompson and Splash Chris Middleton. Hey ha.
Kyle Lowry.
Oh,
Mitchell
my boy
Robinson.
Mitch Robinson.
Jared Butler. Oh, this is that blue or purple, whatever it is.
Yeah, it was a Thunder 2, but not Josh Giddey.
Damn, fam. Last 2 packs. Last 2 packs. Last 2 packs. Oopsie doopsie.
Suggs.
You can bag a tag.
Yeah.
He's one of the top rookies.
Oh, in my house.
Damian Lillard. It's like the Lillard box.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
It's a third Lillard.
Lillard.
Like Matthew Lillard.
Ultra rare checkerboard prism. It's definitely ultra rare.
see we pull him on the last pack.
Doubt it. Damian Sharp. Monte Graham. Ooh.
Oh, T minus. That's the first one.
Giannis. Nice. All right, so here are the couple hits that we like.
Jalen,
Evan Mobley, Jonathan Krominga,
Franz Wagner.
Wagner.
And my house, Evan Mobley.
Nice. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.